10 ways to build sexual tension. Number 1. Eye contact with a smirk. Just look at her, without saying anything. While you're standing close to her, a smirk shows up on your face while you look at her lips. This makes you extremely confident in her eyes, and women love confident men. Number 2. Ear whispering. Whispering something sexy into her ears, and slightly touching it with your lips will make her crazy. Speak slow, with pauses and quiet. It's intimate and a big turn-on for women. Number 3. Pull-push method. You come so close to her, your lips even slightly start to touch, but that's when you stop and back up. She now wants your kiss even more. So you come close to her again, and just when it's about to happen you give her a smirk. Take time to kiss her. Number 4. Touch her, slowly, and with just the tips of your fingers start touching her body, back, legs, neck, and especially her lips, before kissing her. Number 5. Lower your voice. The low, deep voice is a weakness for women. Men with that kind of voice are often perceived as masculine, attractive, and dominant, which women love about men. Number 6. Objectify her. Check her out, but slowly. Women will tell you how they hate to be objectified, but in reality, she wants you to look at her like a piece of meat. Put a smirk on your face once your eyes meet. She will be flattered and will provoke you with her body language. Number 7. Treat her like she likes you. Not only will that add to your confidence, and women love confident men, but even with a bit of arrogance you will look like a bad guy, and we all know how women always choose bad guys over the good ones. Women can't resist bad guys. Number 8. Tease her. Be playful with her, and tease her into making her smile and thinking how an idiot you are, in a good way. Come closer and closer. Each time you tease her about something, she will start teasing you too, which will lead to foreplay and ultimately to sex. Number 9. Flirt with her. Sometimes, dirty flirting can be outrageous. Yes, it will add tension, but being subtle and adding emotions to trigger her emotions will do a better job. Women are all about emotions, so you need to know how to deal with them. Number 10. Fight. This doesn't mean that you should actually punch her. This is about being silly and provoking. Fighting brings fire to the bed, but you should only be careful it doesn't lead to a real fight. That's why I said you should fight over silly things.